Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my morning cleaning routine. So I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee first things first, get the fuel ready to get motivated, and I'm going to set up some toys for my 18-month-old. I have dropped my 5-year-old off at school, but my 18-month-old is at home with me, so I'm going to make sure he's occupied, set up lots of toys for him, and I'll also get him a little bowl of snacks so that I know that he's happy.
I don't ask for much.
I'm also going to put on the radio, going to put on some music to get us in the mood. I'm going to have a little dance with Cooper before I do anything because he loves music. Right, let's get to it. First things first, I'm going to tidy away all of the breakfast mess that has been made, obviously before the rush of getting to school. So I'm going to put the toaster away. I'm going to tidy away everything that I used to make breakfast.
You were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here.
The dining table is also a mess where Leo's had his breakfast and where he's been colouring and doing things before school. So I'm just going to tidy all this up as well.
Though I want your touch, baby, I'm so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I'm so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, I'm so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I'm so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, I'm so
And I'm going to wipe down the table just using some Fabulosa surface spray, get off any sticky residue that has come from breakfast. And while I've got the spray and the cloth in my hand, I'm going to move into the kitchen and wipe down all of the surfaces in here as well.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for...
Okay, on to laundry now, and honestly, my utility room is such a state. I don't even know where to start. I'm going to start by putting all of this clean washing into the basket ready to be taken upstairs, and there's also some clean washing on the line, so I need to pull down the drying rack and take all that off as well and then put that in the basket. Also, the basket is going to be piling high by this point.
Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
I also love to put a fresh wash on to start my day. I love the sound of the washing machine, so I grabbed a washing basket and I'm going to put on a load as well.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
So that is the laundry part of today done. I will put away all of that clean washing later on today when my baby is napping. Next thing, I'm going to go into the hallway and tidy up in here as well. There's a big build up of shoes and post and general sort of mess. And actually, while I'm here, I'm going to sort out the shoe cupboard. It's really piling high in there. It really needs a good tidy up. There's lots of summer shoes in here as well, which could be put upstairs and stored till next summer. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to sort this out.
Stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her.
Also the same with the coats. I'm just going to take a few of these off that don't need to be hanging by the front door all the time, and I'm going to take those back upstairs. And then, like I said, I'm just going to sort through the post that is piling on this unit here, sort it through, sort it out into piles and just tidy up a little bit. I also like to do just a quick surface wipe of the downstairs toilet, as this is the one that gets used constantly by the boys, and I'm going to replenish the toilet rolls as well. Are you missing it just like I do? Next thing is I'm going to hoover the downstairs hard floors. So this is where all the crumbs build up in the kitchen from where I've been making breakfast and whatnot. So I'm just going to go over all of the hard floors downstairs and give them a once over with the vacuum cleaner. Okay, I've moved upstairs now. Obviously I've brought Cooper with me. He is playing in his room, but I'm going to make all of the beds. I love to make the beds in the morning. It makes the house feel so much tidier and in order, and it just sets my mind into a really good positive place if the bed's made. I think there's studies to show that making the bed makes you have a more productive day, and I really agree with that. So I'm starting with our bed, and I'm also just going to spray it with the Fabulosa fabric spray, which smells incredible as well. Are you missing it just like... And I'm also going to make the beds of the boys as well. And to finish, I'm just going to grab the upstairs hoover and I'm going to vacuum the carpets all across the upstairs as well. So that's all of the bedrooms and the landing as well. And that is how I'm going to finish my morning cleaning routine today. Obviously there are other bits that I'll do throughout the day, like putting the washing away that I showed you earlier, and maybe I'll do another sort of deeper clean on one item in the house throughout the day. But this is just really how I love to start my morning. It took less than an hour to do all of this. Cooper is happy as Larry, following me around, playing with his toys. And now that this is done, I feel like I can really focus on just being silly with him, playing with him, taking him to a toddler group, and my mind is in such more of a positive place. And this is just how I like to start my day. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.
We left the room of fight once again, though.